Today we are going to learn about AWS Amazon Router 53. So basically Router 53 is just a kind of registration, a new domain. You can, with the help of Router 53, you can transfer your existing domain, you can control your traffic control, you can manage your DNS services, you can check your healthcare of your domain and many more. Is provided by Amazon, and it's very good platform for web to maintain the website, to maintain the health check of website, to maintain the DNS. So router is just like a TCP and UDP, and 53 is known as the port number to 53. So it's called the router 53. Let's start from finding or registration one domain. So before that, we have to get the DNS. Now we need to go to the registration domain. Suppose I plan to create one website and I want one domain name. For that in that case, we need a domain name. With the help of AWS Router 53, we are able to create or we are able to make one domain registration. So suppose I want one, my website name is called the demo, and I want .com, .net, .org, .com.au. So these all the domain name domain academy, where with the help of this you can create, like .com is worldwide, .net, .org like organization. So for .com you need to pay the $12. So I just going to and check. So is so once you given your credential, or once you given your your company name or domain name, is going to find out all the is going to find out the your domain name. So as of now demo.com is not available, so it's recommending the d3mo.not .net. So many are there, .net, domainweb.com. So it's going to recommend you different website name where is available in the AWS. You can directly go and add. You can see here 11 dollar is price there. Then you need to click to continue. Then you need to give your the company for which content you are going to use, for which purpose you want this website. You need to give the detail, your name, your last name, your organization if you are working for the organization, or else if you are taking this domain for the organization. That time you need to give the every detail and continue. So as of now we are not going to take we are not going to register any domain. So as simple, we need to give the detail, then verification and process is there, we need to pay. It's just like a credit card facility is there, you need to pay that certain amount, $11, and now your domain is registered. So this whole process is registration a new domain. Now if we are talking about transfer the domain. So transfer the domain is just like a service where you can transfer your domain to the different organization. For example, I have my domain name is called the demo.com. I hosted that domain, the DNS in my different website, just xyz, or you can say godaddy.com. Now I'm paying every month $11, $20 I'm paying, but it's little bit costly. So I thought, okay, fine, I can move my this DNS, this domain, to the AWS infrastructure, because in AWS infrastructure we are paying $11 for 1 year. So it's good if you are looking for cost and all, it's good for the compared to the different things. So that time we need to transfer the domain with the help of router 53. So you can see here we are going to transfer now. Dashboard, registration domain, then click to the domain name, transfer to the domain. Now So for example, I have my domain name is called the demo. Okay, and I am clicking to check. So demo.com cannot be the transfer to the router 53. Why? Because it's already assigned to different people in different infrastructure. For in that case, we need to first take a migration process. Migration certificate is called NOC. So we need to collect that NOC from that vendor or that website. Then we need to give the request to the Amazon AWS people. I want this demo.com. I want to host in your AWS infrastructure. So in that case, they are going to take a request, and then they are going to allow to register this demo.com in the AWS infrastructure. So it's actually basically it's very easy to learn. You can use for the multiple section for you can use in the AWS register domain and then transfer the domain. So it's as similar to the different application also, as similar to different application. You can transfer, you can register your domain. Now if we are talking about health checkup. In health checkup, with the help of AWS Router 53, we can check our website health. For example, I have one website. It's called the demo.com. Now, a lot of people is coming, so many traffic is there, huge traffic is there. My website is not working. What exactly problem is there? Then so many troubles are there. In that case, with the help of router 53 availability monitor transfer, you are able to check your health, domain health. For that, you need to go to the availability monitor section. Then you need to click to the create a health checkup. Then you need to give the domain name. So suppose for example, I'm going to check the Facebook healthcare, facebook.com. Then is asking the, if you have your IP address, you can directly put your IP address here. Host name facebook.com and port and all same, but as of now I'm going to take the domain name only. Then I'm going to www.facebook.com. Then everything is perfect. Then click to next. If you want to get a notification for the health checkup, you can create your alarm with the help of creating the alarm. In that case, you need to assign the SNA topic. It's called the simple notification services. This topic we are going to learn in our upcoming section. Then no, then create a health checkup. uh, is going to take few moments. Is showing unknown.
This conference will now be
So now
recorded.
you can see my screen, and here facebook.com 50 minutes ago status is healthy. It's mean my website is working properly, good. So description facebook.com, I we not taken any alarm system, so is not showing the alarm configuration. Then my ID is this. Now you want to see where the exactly or in which latency we have a problem, or in any kind. So first we need to select this one, then go to the health checkup. You can see in Asia, in Tokyo, the health checkup IPs. This is the for IP address for in the Tokyo, and the last checkup is 1 May 9 a.m. morning successfully. And one problem is there is found in one problem is code is 302 is resolved now. So you can get every one by one, you can get every things with the help of health checkup. You can monitor your every country, every region, where exactly problem there, which port is problem there, what exactly error is there. So you can easily to maintain your website with the help of router 53 health checkup. So you can monitor everything. Then if you are taking any alarm system, then you will get a notification also from here. For this alarm system we are going to learn our upcoming session. Then monitoring. So health is now good. Last hours you can check up to 2 week. Suppose I need to check. So health checkup status is red. So it's perfect, is working perfect only. So this is a process to check the our website, uh, how exactly is working, what is the issues there, which country we have a problem. So with the help of health checkup we are able to check our website health. So it's very easy and it's good.
This conference will now be
So
recorded.
basically router 53 is a very good platform to check the registration, to do a registration process, to maintain your traffic management system, to monitor your healthcare, your topics, your alarm system. You can transfer your domain with the help of router 53. In certification exam, uh, the part of if we are talking about the certification exam in router 53, we are not going to get any more questions. We are going to get a basic knowledge, theories are there. What is router 53, why we are calling the router 53? So router 53 basically is allocated you. Router is means as a TCP and UDP. 53 is the port number. So this type of questions you are going to get in the certification exam. Apart from there is a very easy platform to learn, and it's very interesting also to do, to transfer and to registration and all domain. You can create your own policy, you can maintain your own infrastructure with the help of router 53. So it's very easy to learn and maintain the infrastructure.